Welcome to Turbo Rider. Today we are diving review the 2025 Honda ADV 160 is here, and it's ready to redefine what an adventure scooter can do. Blending rugged looks with advanced technology, this scooter is built for riders who want both comfort in the city and capability on rougher roads. Engine and performance. Powering the ADV 160 is a 157 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, 4-valve engine. It delivers smooth performance, excellent fuel efficiency, and enough punch for daily commuting as well as weekend adventures. With Honda's ESP Plus technology, the engine is optimized for power delivery and reduced emissions. Design and features. The design stands out with its aggressive adventure-style bodywork, tall windscreen, and dual-purpose tires. It comes equipped with LED lighting all around, a fully digital LCD display, and USB charging for modern convenience. Comfort and handling. Honda has focused on rider comfort with a tall, upright riding position, long travel suspension, and spacious underseat storage. The scooter's lightweight frame and excellent ground clearance make it versatile for both urban traffic and light off-road trails. Safety and technology. The ADV 160 is fitted with Honda Selectable Torque Control, HSTC, ABS braking, and a reliable disc brake setup for confident handling. With smart key operation and enhanced security features, it's built to keep you safe on every ride. Conclusion. The 2025 Honda ADV 160 is more than just a scooter, it's a compact adventure machine. Stylish, practical, and adventurous, it's perfect for riders who want freedom without limits. Like, share, and subscribe to Turbo Rider.